Indoor spring fever, Mimi's Manor. This is my indoor grow house in my office. I planted all this out in mid-January. I've got pink banana squash, delicado squash. I've got some starts of purple broccoli. My onion sets, those are like 3 weeks old. I've already cut the tops. This is crazy growth. This is the first greenhouse. I'm going to show you the other one, and I've taken everything out of it to harden off, and I've just planted a whole bunch of dahlias and poppies and everything flowers. Okay, so now we're moving from the office to the living room. This is me just now planting out. Everything in here is flowers, flowers, flowers. I've got a couple nasturtiums, and those are all my borage that I'm going to plant throughout my garden to be pollinator friendly. Over here are my little sad nasturtiums. This is last year's tomato plant that I brought in, and it's starting to sprout again. And then in my south-facing window, these are all of my plants that I've been growing since January. I've got lupines, I've got leeks, I've got cherry radish, I've got black crim tomatoes, I've got some English thyme, I have some jalapeno from saved seed from last year. I have a ginger that I took off a nubbin from my cupboard. We've got some broccoli over here, more tomatoes, and also some Cherokee tomatoes off of saved seed from last year, and a little more radish. So I'm all excited. This is now all coming out of the window. It's going to stay here and to start hardening off. Then next week I'm going to start moving it outdoors during the day, and hopefully once we get past our frost. But Plant Lady is excited and ready.